everybody, welcome back to my YouTube channel. In this video, I'm going to be doing something special because today is Mother's Day. And I have this website open here. We're going to be scraping this website. And we're basically just going to be picking up all of the gift ideas from this website, from all of these items. And we are going to be filtering them out based on a budget right here. So it's pretty simple. It's short. It's like a short amount of code, only 17 lines, and I don't believe we have done a web scraping tutorial on my channel before, so this is going to be pretty fun. So yeah, don't forget to like, subscribe, share this video with all your friends, and do something special for your mothers. Alright, without any further ado, let's get started. So first, we're going to be importing a library called Beautiful Soup. It's basically used to scrape websites, scraping their HTML code. So of course this is a Python channel, but I'm gonna have to get a little bit into explaining the HTML in the website. Then we're gonna import requests to get the website, and then we're gonna basically define HTML as a request object. It's basically, we're going to put in a link for the website. We're going to put in that link, and it's basically, it's going to go to that website, and we're going to take the text of this website, HTML.text, and then we're going to put that into a Beautiful Soup object, and we're going to call that soup. And now that we have the website, we have everything ready. What we're gonna do is we have to find the actual gifts and their code. So I'm gonna right click. I'm gonna click inspect to see the HTML code, and if I would just let it load up a little bit. Alright, and so here we are. We can basically hover through all of this and see all the gift items. So this right here, whatever I'm highlighting, this is one gift. If we scroll down, this is another gift, this is another gift. These are all like ideas. They're all items in a list. And now what I'm going to do is I'm going to take this class here, this class value, I'm going to copy it, and then I would paste it over here. So basically here what we're saying is that from this website, we're going to find all of the instances of this class. So we're going to basically find all of these items. So this one, and then this one, and then this one, right? So basically, in total, I think like about 50 of them. And basically, it's all contained in like a list, gifts, and now we're gonna make a gifts list, we're gonna talk about that later. So basically, at this point, we have everything ready. We have all of the gifts. Now all we have to do is we have to filter them out based on the budget. Now, of course, buying your mother a gift is very sweet, but there has to be a budget. So we're gonna ask the user for whatever number of dollars they want in their budget, and using that, we're going to make a for loop, and we're going to basically iterate through the gifts, all of these gifts in this website, and we're going to assign these variables name and price. So for the name variable, we're going to do gift.find. So we have like about 50 of these gifts, and basically we're going to iterate through them, and in each gift we're going to find a span, which is a type of like wrapper or tag in HTML. So if we expand this, if we expand this, we go up here, and we want to get this this button here, not the button, we want to get this name, right? So that name comes up like right about here. I'm just hovering through the code, and we're basically, this is a span, right? As you can see, it says span here. Let me just edit this. And so we're gonna get this span tag by copying down its tag, its class number, listicle, slide, whatever, and basically now we're gonna store that. We're gonna take that text and we're gonna store that in the variable name. So that's the name of the item, which is in this case. Whoa, I did something went wrong there. I think I might have deleted the name. Oops. Okay, so let's just take like this name for example. If we go down all the way over here, right? Again, we go down into here. We go into the span here. So that's the name. But we want this price. Then we're gonna actually have to. Basically, you have to find your way by hovering through. It's kind of like a manual thing. You have to do it manually, but eventually, after you're done expanding everything, you're going to find here. You're gonna find an A tag, right? And this is specific to this website. Every website has a kind of different format, but they're all usually organized, so it's easy to scrape. So we're gonna take this A tag here, and we're basically gonna get its text. So that would give us $27 at Uncommon Goods. So we're gonna put that in price. Now, unfortunately, on this website, for some of, like for example, for this item, there is no price tag, right? Usually there is, but on this one there isn't. So that's kind of an oddball situation. So I'm just gonna filter that out. If price isn't shop, right? So basically, what we're gonna do is we're gonna split this text of the price by spaces, and we're gonna take the first one. So for example, if we have 19 at Amazon, they're all different if we separate them by spaces. So we want the first one, $19, which is the price. So we want to basically throw away the at Amazon part. And then, of course, we're just going to strip that to remove all the white spaces and everything. But, so that's going to be the price. We kind of some, like, string formatting here. And now if the price isn't shop, of course, that's the oddball. If it's not, like, instead of, like, $19 or, like, $29, if it's just, like, shop at Amazon, then we're just going to not consider that item. And then we're going to split the price by the basically we're gonna remove the dollar sign here, right? Like instead of $18, we're gonna have like 18, and then we're gonna convert that to an integer and make sure that it is within the budget. After we have done that, we're gonna append to gift list. Remember, I told you about this variable before. That's the number of lists that fall within the budget, and we're gonna append to that the name and the price, right? Alright, cool. Now what we're going to do is we're just going to, of course, gift list is a gift. What am I saying? Gift list is a list. So, of course, we have to join it together by a new line. So, let's just run this code and enter the number of dollars in our budget. Let's say our budget is like $30. And here, we're going to have all of these names of items, basically gift ideas to give to your mother. That fit within the budget. For example, now if we have like a stricter budget, like a very strict budget, like $10, then we only have like a couple of items at our disposal. Now, let's say we have our budget is like 50, then we have all of these items. So basically, this is a pretty fun program. I like it's kind of like short, but like still it's meaningful. So yeah, if you enjoyed that video, don't forget to like and subscribe to my channel, share this video with all of your friends, and I will see you in the next one.